let's go through some tools on your editing tools page. We are going to go in order, talking about spacing, effects, animation, and transparency. The first one is spacing. In order to utilize your spacing tool, you go to this icon here and you can see it says spacing, and you can adjust the letter spacing and you can adjust the line spacing, going both ways. And it is that easy. I utilize this tool all of the time in my designs to customize the spacing between lines and text. The next one is the effects tool. I love this. I utilize this a lot too. Outline is just a simple outline. You can change the color of the outline. You can change the thickness of the outline, shadow, lift, hollow, splice. And the example I have showed you in the ebook is the echo tool. And that's what it looks like. So you're going to have your original black text with a darker pink and then a lighter pink. And this can be any color. And again, you can customize that. You can customize the offset and the direction that it's going. You can also put a background and then change the transparency of the background, the spread, how wide you want it to go, and then the roundness. So I'm going to remove that. And then here is the curve. So you are able to curve your text. And here you can see it is more of a circle. Let me shrink this down. So you can add text if you have enough text to turn it into a circle, or you can just curve it up or down. And then the next tool is your transparency option. And you just click on the transparency and then that's it. And then our last one is our animation tool. So all you do is click on animate and it is going to show you exactly when you hover over it. Now, if you're on your phone, you will have to tap it, but if you're on a laptop or an iPad with a keyboard, then you will be able to just hover over these and you can see exactly what they look like. And all you do is select the text or the element that you want to be animated. When you do this, you're selecting the animation. Not everything is going to be animated. Only the things that you select will be animated. Here's a photo. We can, I should have left that text there. Let's shrink this photo down and then we'll go to animate. And then they have different ways that you can animate photos. You can choose whether it's going up, down, left and right, and then the intensity. This is also another feature I use. I use these a lot in stories when I make story graphics. And then here is how, here at the bottom, you can remove all of your animations if you do not want animations. You can edit the timing, how long you want your animations to play, so they will just repeat. And then here you can play your animations. It will show you what it looks like. Let me go back and animate this text and then we'll play it. And then that is what it would look like. And that's that.